stay over there, stay where you can be seen. Ain't nothing better than a good little ratchet television here and there, okay? Because forget a monthly facial, baby. We need a facial like twice a week. Baby, right here in my hometown, honey. I'm so STL.
Deep conditioning or bond treatment. I am loving this episode. I'm stacking on some fire.
Yes, honey, it is another day, another dollar, baby, okay?
To the woman I'm becoming, I see you, I honor you, I'm learning to trust the
to another daily vlog, you guys. Listen, today is Tuesday, July the 21st, honey, and we are rolling these daily vlogs out, okay? If this is your first time seeing me, if you are new to my channel, I am your favorite sister girl, Tonya Latrice, honey, and I do all sorts of content on this channel, lifestyle content, you guys. We do daily vlogs, travel vlogs, beauty, fashion content, and my favorite, girl, is home decor and interior design, okay, y'all? And I have been vlogging every day, girl, for the month of July, y'all, and I feel good about it, okay? I feel good about vlogging every single day, girl. If it's a little noisy, it's because I don't know what they're doing outside, but there's some construction going on. Y'all know we live in downtown St. Louis, honey, so it's always some construction and stuff like that, y'all know, going on in the downtown areas. But yes, honey, it is another day, another dollar, baby. Okay, girl, time I start vlogging, girl. Here come y'all little friend. Hold on. Go sit down. Go have a seat. That's good. You know, I always tell you, be seen. Time I get on the phone and start looking busy, you want to come around and act like we've been talking and you wasn't studying me. You was not studying me when I was just moving around the house, girl. But that's Jasper, my cat. He's 3 years old. He just had a birthday. So yeah, his birthday was July the 4th. We had him a cutesy little like box and stuff, girl, put together, girl, but he's too big for it. He's a Siberian tabby cat. And yeah, girl, we got him from New Orleans, New Orleans. But y'all, this is going to be a very chill day, okay? Baby, walking yesterday, I had a good time, but being outside for an hour and 15 minutes, baby, with that sun, you get a little tired, okay? And also another thing, after going outside, you know, any period of time, I love to take care of my skin, give myself a really good skincare like routine at home. So hold on, girl. But like I was telling y'all, girl, before I was rudely interrupted, I am your favorite sister girl, Tonya Latrice. And if this is your first time seeing me, if you are new to my channel and you like my content, before you leave, make sure you subscribe, okay? But y'all, I am gonna put this mask on. I picked this up off of Temu, girl, look. And then it has different colors too. Y'all can probably see the red. Hold on, am I hitting it? Green, blue, purple, another green, another blue, like a teal blue, clear, and then back to red. And then you hold it down to cut it off, but we will be using that mask today. And I usually keep it on for about, keep it on red for about 10-15 minutes or so. You're not supposed to put anything on your face, they say, when you wear this mask. But sometimes I do spray a little bit of toner, girl, but don't tell nobody. Hold on. Yes, I do that, and then after I wear this for about 10, like I said, 10 to 15 minutes, I go in with this melting mask, and y'all, I have been obsessed with this collagen hydrogel melting mask. Can y'all see that? Girl, I love this mask down, y'all. And if you are a mature woman, and I know we should be, honey, rolling and indulging in our self-care routines at home, okay? Because forget a monthly facial, baby. We need a facial like twice a week, okay? Twice a week. So we're gonna apply this collagen hydrogel melting mask. After, y'all, I picked this up off of Temu, girl. I think they gave me 4 of them. It was like $6. Really good deal. Hold on. Go sit down. Go sit down. He think I can't see him, but baby, I have a mirror, okay? And mama, big mama sees all things, okay? I see all things. Stay over there. Stay where you can be seen. Stop trying to hide so you can come and get my ankles. That's all he want, girl, is to go up under this table so that he can get my ankles, child. I don't know. Y'all have a cat? Do you have a pet? Do they be getting on your nerves? Cause I be wanting Jasper to come over some of y'all houses sometimes. Y'all be all in the comment like, oh my God, Jasper, he is so handsome. He is so cute. He is so sweet, girl. Jasper is a YN. So we are gonna use this hydro gel mask today, y'all, and I love it. I keep them in the refrigerator. It comes in a box like this. You get a set of 4, and I hope you guys can see the back, but y'all gonna see me with it on anyway. It comes, you put it on, it's white, and it like all the nutrients, girl, the collagen, the vitamin E, the niacinamide, all of that just soaks into your skin, sis. I'm telling you, you're gonna have your skin looking glowy. By the way, this is not sponsored. Okay, we paid our own money to get these. I'm just obsessed with these masks. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a little bit of self-care at home today. I already started washing. I had some clothes I picked up last time while traveling. I got a few things from the thrift store. I don't think I showed y'all. So once I wash and stuff like that, I'll go ahead and show y'all the pieces that I got, a little thrift haul or whatever. What else are we planning for today? I was going to go to another coffee shop today, y'all. I really enjoyed the one we went to yesterday at 21C here in the downtown area of St. Louis. It's a hotel, a boutique hotel, but girl, they got a real cutesy little coffee shop on the inside of it. It was so nice, y'all. But like I said, when I go back, I might have to try a different coffee because the coffee just was not hitting to me, but I did. At first, it was too strong. Then I asked for some more pumps, and girl, then it became too sweet, so I was just like, whatever. But I was gonna go to another coffee shop today. It's also in it's kind of like downtown, but I think it's more so considered midtown. It's called Omen, and it's a coffee shop. They have a rooftop, but baby, I woke up this morning, girl, and they said it was gonna be a heat advisory. I said, baby, I am not about to go out there and melt, child. We are not about to do that. So your sister girl was like, that's cool. We're just gonna stay in today, do a bit of skincare, do some self-care maintenance. I feel like my eyebrows could use a little bit more brow tint as well. Girl, I done picked off 2 fingernails. Well, this finger is hurting. It started hurting while I was braiding my hair, honey, but I was a no limit soldier, baby. I continued the braiding process because why? Beauty is pain. But I have not had breakfast yet. I did have some morning coffee. It was still pretty good. Jasper, we not finna play with that ball, baby girl. Girl, let me go. I just had to come, child. Open up the vlog, say, hey, y'all, hey, welcome to another daily vlog. We're about to get into it. And yeah, this is just gonna be life in my 40s, moving around, playing with my cat, doing laundry, doing skincare at home. And also I have a thrift haul to show y'all. So yeah, let's get into the vlog. You got me your ball. You ready to play? You ready to play, handsome? He said, Mommy, I got it. Why would you let the ball hit you in your face like that? You want to run and get it? You want to run it? Okay. On your mark. Get set. Go. You got to walk away so you can bring it back. It takes him a while because he keeps playing soccer with me.
Listen, I'm not matching negative energies because I'm simply not mirroring people. I'm not sabotaging my growth, and I'm not allowing what others do to dictate my attitudes and my composure. I'm not changing the core of who I am, and I'm certainly not going to do anything outside the person that I show up as every single day. If the bad energy dictates the way they choose to proceed in their lives, that simply has no connection to the way I choose to proceed in mine. My character is defined by my values and integrity, not by the conditions in which people choose to show up with me. My attitudes and behaviors are a singular notion and cannot be pulled in any direction. I'm forever grateful for the no's I received when I thought I deserved the yeses, because many of those no's grounded me and made me take a look at why I wanted those yeses so bad. Sometimes what we want so bad is not constructed for the environment or our mental capability at that time, and we have to understand that when the doors are closed, the application is denied, and the opportunity isn't prevalent. It's more for our good than for our bad. In many situations, the no saved me from a stressful job. The no kept me from compounding responsibilities. The no allowed me to obtain more time with my family. The no brought me closer to people. The no helped me. Today, I want you to remember to give yourself grace. Understanding that you won't show up perfect or aligned in your judgment every single time. It is essential that we remember who we are, living beings still learning, growing, and living, with opportunities for errors and shortcomings. Stop dwelling on what you cannot change, but be intentional about learning the lessons given to you. What you did is done. How you proceed is on you.
So you wanna roll with a good girl, do it big, do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Wanna roll with a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like I should. What's up?
On my mind, I pass my bedtime, no rest, the kingdom, alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we should get married, we should get married. Let's stop holding back on it and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of little things. I got big deals, I got little things, got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. Just wanna stay on your line. Just wanna stay on your line. What you be on your line? All I'm really asking for is you. On your line. Just wanna stay on your line. What you I still want you.
She cries to the heaven above. There's a storm in my heart. She lives a life she didn't choose. It hurts like when you shoot. And I want you to want. And I want you to want. And I want you to want me too.
That looks good, sis. Okay, so I have had this mask on now probably for about an hour, 30 minutes. And as y'all can see, it's pretty much mostly transparent. But I still have some areas that honestly don't lay all the way flat, so they don't get as transparent as the rest. But y'all, it still feels so good. It's still cooling on my face, and I love it. Let me take this bonnet off. What am I doing? I put my hair into 2 little twists at night to preserve the curls. And also that way I don't have to wet my hair as much also. And it looks so good, y'all. Like, it looks so good. But y'all, I was thinking, child, I don't know why I thought I would be doing a whole lot in today's vlog, but girl, I told y'all this is gonna be just a real chill day at home. I'm almost finished washing. That food was so good, y'all. I ain't had no ramen noodles, no ramen in a while. And so today I was like, I just want me some ramen noodles with some shrimp in it, girl. And that ramen bowl was so good. Baby, it was so good. And that tea that you guys saw me drink, that raspberry pomegranate tea, y'all, it is so tasty. So good. If I'm not mistaken, I think I picked that up off of Amazon. If I did, I'll leave it linked down below. And that ginger, the ginger honey and the ginger lemon teas that I showed you guys. I think one is like honey ginger, and then the other one is like lemon ginger. They also have a turmeric ginger as well. If you're looking for a way to sweeten up like your green tea, you don't want to use any honey or anything like that, use those, because honestly, that tea did not need that honey stick, baby. It was so sweet. That was honestly my first time using the honey stick in the tea like that, and it was super sweet, y'all. So I had to add some water to it and drink it on down. I also took it with my oil of oregano capsules, you guys know that I have been taking. So yeah, y'all, girl, but I thought I was gonna be able to show you guys what this mask was gonna look like once it's been on your face for approximately 2 hours. But this is 1 hour and 30 minutes, and as you can see, I still probably got about a good 40 minutes left with it. But baby, I need to edit this vlog. Baby, we need to edit this vlog, export this vlog, get it up to YouTube. I need to find a thumbnail, girl. We got a whole lot of going on. So yeah, guys, I know this video was probably, y'all probably just like, girl, what did we do? Girl, barely anything, hardly. Child, but like I said, I'm staying dedicated to doing daily vlogs, and you guys can count on me, honey, to be here until the end, okay? So again, if this is your first time seeing me, if you are new to my channel, girl, you ain't never seen me before, hey girl, hey, first of all. But hold on, before I end this vlog out, I have been having so many new subbies that live right here. Baby, right here in my hometown, honey. I'm so STL. Hey, my STL girlies. How are y'all doing, honey? It's your whimsical sister girl, Tonya Latrice. Yes, ma'am. Right here in the STL area, y'all. And I love that y'all found my channel, girl, because I love when people from St. Louis come and watch me. So, hey, girl, hey. Make sure you keep up with the daily vlogs. But y'all, that's going to be the end of this vlog. Again, if you are new to my channel, you like the content, subscribe. If you can, give the video a thumbs up, like the video. It helps YouTube to push me around into the YouTube community so that other people that live in St. Louis, maybe in any other city, can come on and follow your sister girl. But y'all, that's going to be it until next time, okay, child? Because I'm tired, girl. I'm finna take this off and sit back, relax, and watch Real Housewives of Atlanta, because I do believe I am missing a couple of episodes. And although I do love a good TV, like National Geographic's, baby, ain't nothing better than a good little ratchet television here and there, okay? So I'm gonna see y'all in tomorrow's vlog, and until next time, love y'all, bye.